Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to talk about more functions that we can use with numbers in Python. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the absolute value function, and to do that we're going to create a number called num1, and I'm going to set that equal to -5. I'm also going to create a number called num2, and I'm going to set that to 4.555. Okay, and what I'm going to do is focus on number 1 because I want to find the absolute value of number 1. So I'm going to type ABS and then pass in num1 here. And since I'm taking the absolute value, I should get back just +5. So let's go and open up a terminal and run this, and you'll see we get 5. Okay. Now we have some other interesting functions we can use with numbers in Python. We can convert a Python number to a hexadecimal value. So we can print and type hex and then let's do num1, and we can find the hexadecimal value, which I think is -0x5. Let's confirm that. Yep, -0x5, okay, is our hexadecimal value. Okay, we can also do the octal value of num1. And if we do that, okay, let's open up a terminal. I think this should be -0.05. So let's run it. Yep, we get -0.05. Okay. Okay, now we can also do the binary value of number 1. Okay, so let's run that. That's going to be, I'm not sure exactly. Let's figure out the binary value. It's going to be -0b101. Okay. Okay, and so we can convert values into hexadecimal, octal, and binary. And we can also figure out the type of number that we pass in with the type function. So we can do print and then type. And if we do num1, this is going to return an integer. It's going to say class of type integer. We run it. So we see class int. Okay. And if we pass in number 2, we're going to get, can you guess? We're going to get a float. Okay, so let's open up our terminal and run that. Okay, so we get class float. All right, so we can use the type function there. There should be t there. Okay, we can also round a value. So let's round number 2 to 1 decimal place. This should give us 4.6. Okay, and so let's open up the terminal, and we get 4.6. Very good. All right, let's go back up here and create another number. Let's call it number 3 and set it equal to 3. Okay, and now I want to print the maximum of num1. And you can put any number of arguments in here, num1, num2, and num3. Okay, and we should get 4.5 in this case. 4.555 actually. And we get 4.555, okay, because that's the maximum value. And finally, the last one I want to talk about is the minimum value. So we can get the minimum of num1, num2, and num3, which should be, in this case, -5. So let's save that. Let's open that. And we get -5 as our minimum value. Okay, that sums up some of the number functions I wanted to cover in Python. If you found this video helpful, could you please give it a like? It really helps get out to more people. I also want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.